So, my name is Molly Holton, and I'll be doing a tutorial on musictechteacher.com. This is the third time I've done this, so hopefully it works this time. So the first thing you can do is you can just go to Google and type in Music Tech Teacher. And it does pop up right here. You can also just go to www.musictechteacher.com as well. I'm not going to go through a whole lot with this. I'm just going to give you some of my favorite parts of Music Tech Teacher. The reason why I picked this tool is because it's just a website, I know, but there's a lot to go with it that helps with assessment and with fun activities for the kids once they have gone through all of the basic learning. And so it's really nice to utilize. So the first thing I'd like you to see here is lessons. These are basically lesson plans that this Mrs. Garrett has created for her students for when they are gone. I just clicked on lessons 1 and 2, objectives, essential questions, materials, procedures, all that kind of stuff. So when the kids are gone, or if you want to use them, they are there and available. Next thing I'm going to go to is to worksheets. All of these are different worksheets that you can use, regular or PDFs. Here's the PDF version of this particular one. Each measure creates a word, which makes it lots of fun for the kids, because obviously if it doesn't spell a word, then it is incorrect. I use these oftentimes just for some assessment, some quick assessments, print off a few copies, and also there's different levels, which is really, really nice, so that certain kids can do one kind and certain kids can do another. As you can see, I'll scroll down here, lots of different, from key signatures to ties. Here's some puzzles and mazes for maybe when you're gone and have a substitute who doesn't teach music. I know we've all had that situation happen. The next thing I want to go to, I'll go to quizzes and pianos. The first one is quizzes. The fun part about this is there's lots of different games that they can play. I'm going to show you two of them today. First one is Treble Clef Word Warrior. They also have a bass clef word warrior, which is really kind of fun too. Just a little game. You can go here, and they spell words again, so it's kind of nice. Get a right word. Go through the whole game. I always split it into 2 different sections to have it work. 2 different groups. Sorry, my son is. The next thing we go to here, we'll go back to quizzes again. I'll show you this instrument spin-off, which is real fun. This one actually does go into 2 teams, which is very, very nice. It gives you the option of 2 teams, or 3, or however many you want. I did 3 when I was doing this. They can change the names of the teams, lots of different things. And it goes through the 4 main groups: percussion, woodwinds, string, brass. And then you'd spin, and then there's questions, and then each team alternates, and they get points, and then there's a fun activity at the end as well. So there's lots of quizzes that are here. There's lots of piano stuff too, if you teach piano lessons, or if you have a piano class, which I'd love to teach. Instrument word searches. I mean, listening to intervals and scales and chords, music careers, lots of different things. Next thing is piano practice, which is real, real fun. This is neat. Got a piano here, and you can push. Also, if it hooks up to a keyboard, this reacts to the keyboard as well. Click on a song, and then it has the song here for you. You can have the note names on or off, and then it plays it for you. Also, with this, like I said, you can go to the piano keys to play the keyboard, or you can use the numbers 1 through 9 to play, which is kind of cool too. I would prefer a keyboard, obviously, but there's also kids who don't have that. So, and there's lots of songs that you can practice as well. So, pretty cool. Let me stop that. Going back here to quizzes again, there is this music help and theory. It's in both of these sections, which is kind of easy to find. This offers help at home, or if you'd like to use them as presentations in your classroom, that is also an option. All of these things have been very, very helpful in my classroom. I find something to go with what I'm teaching. It's very nice. It goes through the 4 categories here. Plus keyboard as well. They've got mouthpieces. They've got, and each one of them has a sound bite to it. So here you go. Kind of nice. They show the brass mouthpieces. They also show They also show the single and double reeds. Pretty nice. If you go back to that again, there's lots of different things. There's composers, music terms, scales, flash pianos and chords, rhythms and rests, basic intervals. All of these things are very, very useful to use in addition to what you already have as a base. Here she also has some student compositions and student videos. If you want to learn more about her, this is it here. Also, I don't know if you notice here, here's in-services. She has been to different schools to do in-services, and all of her handouts are there, which is kind of nice as well. She also has a good band website to access and compare to your websites as well. So that is all. Thank you.